What's up, beautiful babes? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome into the channel. As you can see, yes, I finally got my MelodySusie nail dust collector. Now, I was contemplating which one was going to be it, and I was so grateful that MelodySusie sent me one of theirs, and I am super excited about it, and I wanted to unbox it today. So here she is. Oh my gosh, this is amazing, super amazing. Comes with the instruction booklet, as most things do. You know how it goes. And this, y'all, is even more than what I even asked for, because I was really expecting probably to get some smaller one, but this one is going to do the job. So I'm ready to unbox it right here. So let me show you what it comes with absolutely right now. Of course, you have the adapter. Gotta have some power to it. Let me just see how long this cord is. Alright, that's pretty extensive. That's a nice length of cord, because you know, a lot of time your plugs can be a little bit far away, and that's going to work out perfectly. Let me just set all of that aside. Okay, it's relatively lightweight. Oh my, she's nice. She is super nice. This is the underside. Okay, that's where you plug in the adapter at. Okay, and little power button, the fan, low, high, etc. Let's go ahead and just check her out and see how she's going to be collecting this dust, because I want to know. I really want to know. Got her plugged in there. Alright, she's plugged in. I noticed a little light that popped on right here. I have the power supply, power button right there. Ooh, that's super nice. Relatively not as loud as I thought it would be. Just going to get the instruction manual here to see if there's anything that I need to know before I actually start using it. Check before using the power supply. That's plugged in. My main concern was how to clean it when you're finished. That's most important. So again, we have the outlet over here, the power supply, filter cover. You have 2 modes, and then you have the on and off button over here, which I showed you that. Okay. So you can't clean the filter without turning it off, but if you do, then if you take off the filter cover without turning it off, the device will stop working to enter the safety mode. So it has a safety feature on it. So I'm assuming I don't see any cleaning instructions in here. So I'm assuming this just pops off right here. You pop out the filter and you clean it. Okay, I guess you just dust it off and pop it right back in. So that's pretty simple, but I'm super excited about this, and I'm ready to get started using it on my nails, on my next nail project that I have when I'm removing my nails, which y'all know I always, I have 2 different hands most of the time with the nails going on. So I was hoping to get it sooner, but unfortunately I have to keep it rolling, and didn't get a chance to actually use it on my last nail update. So I will check it out on the next one. Again, power on. That is some power there. Wow. That's full speed, but it's pretty quiet. And that's low. So I'm excited to use this. I am. And again, it's very sleek and very, not bulky, that I don't have to worry about not having a place to slip it on the shelf or right on my little extra overflow desk over there. That is super cool. And it says here, while normal dust collectors only offer a 70 to 80% vacuum effect, MelodySusie's offers a 100% efficient vacuum effect, preventing any kind of dust from scattering all over. This will ensure a dust-free working environment and no breathing in fine particles that are bad for your health. Now, that's why I definitely needed that. I definitely needed to, most times I will have on a face mask when I'm doing my drilling off of my nails, but a lot of times this is still so seriously needed because you have dust particles everywhere. You have an adjustable suction, the fan speed and suction power can be adjusted based on your preference, making this particular machine incredibly customizable, suitable for both manicure and pedicure. And again, I told you how sleek it was, which I am loving that. So it's super compact, easy install. As you saw, I just plugged it in and it's ready to go. And the super easy touch control makes it even greater, because a lot of times you don't want to press hard on buttons. You just want to simply just simple touch and move along. And the great part about it, it does have the plug here, but I also have the MelodySusie drill right here, which the plugs are interchangeable. So that is super awesome as well. So I'm so glad about that. In fact, I don't even have to use an additional spot for plugging this one in, because I can just use the spot that I already have. That is awesome. That is awesome. And it says to clean, just pop this off right here and you can clean it with a hair dryer. Now, it's been so long since I had a hair dryer, but guess what? I actually have one coming on Wednesday, maybe tomorrow or Wednesday. So that's ironic, because I was really going to be doing some different things with my hair. I'm contemplating on cutting it off, but that's neither here nor there. So it does say to replace the filter every 3 to 4 months. Do not wash it with water. If you have to, then dry it after you wash it. Okay, so that is it in a nutshell. So I am super excited about having this in my life, the MelodySusie nail dust collector. Now, they have several on their website. I will have the list of those in the description box for you, but I'll also specify which one I currently have, which this one runs about $80 or so, which I think is a great price, especially for the quality that MelodySusie offers with their products. And I'm pretty sure you can also buy the filters on the website as well, but I'll have it there for you. Beautiful babes, I'm out of here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, got something out of it, or definitely were interested in a nail dust collector, then check this one out on the website. I will be demonstrating it in a future video, but unfortunately I just finished up nails on yesterday and didn't get around to waiting on my gift to come. So thanks, MelodySusie, for sharing this with me, and I will be actually using this one really soon, so stay tuned for that. Take care, beautiful babes, and remember to keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.